If you're torn between the Vseebox V5 Pro and the Vseebox Elite Ultra, here is the quick breakdown to help you decide. Both are fully loaded Android TV boxes, but they're built for slightly different users. The V5 Pro is the more affordable option, while still giving you fast performance, stable streaming, and a smooth interface. It handles 4K playback without issues. Apps open quickly, and it's great for everyday streaming. If you just want a powerful box that works well out of the box without spending too much, the V5 Pro is enough for most people. The Elite Ultra, on the other hand, is the premium version. It comes with a faster processor, more RAM, and better Wi-Fi stability. Where you really feel the difference is when multitasking, running heavy apps, or using advanced IPTV setups. The Elite Ultra also loads channels quicker and has fewer buffering problems, especially on weaker networks. Storage is larger on the Elite Ultra, so if you're downloading a lot of apps or recording content, that matters. The remote is also slightly better and more responsive. The box runs cooler thanks to improved thermal design, which means smoother performance over long sessions. If you're a casual user who just streams movies, shows, and live TV, go with the V5 Pro. It's the best value. But if you want the absolute best performance, faster navigation, heavier multitasking, and longest lifespan, the Elite Ultra is worth the upgrade. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. And don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.